job! They're so happy.
Just finished day one of Raleigh 3.0. I wasn't expecting to drive, but I made the last minute decision to drive the S14 up and just give it a go. The last time I drove this car would have been 9-10 months ago at a wet pan, and I couldn't really get the hang of the car. And came back here, decided to drift Raleigh for the first time in this car in the dry. I was a bit nervous about the stock knuckles, stock seats, flying around like a McDonald's napkin. And what else? Yeah, my steering rack was leaking as well. Because when I first started driving the car, as soon as I got back here, it was very stiff. And then we had a look under the car and it was just not 100%. We had a few issues this morning, which I kind of expected. The front wheels were rubbing on the loom. So we raised the car a little bit and Andy helped me tie up the loom, wrap it with a bit of tape, change the rears obviously because I have to drive home tomorrow. So just trying to work out the feel of the car in the morning, and then yeah, I had a few goes. I can only really do first gear at the moment and change to second for the bigger corner. What would you fix?
What would I fix about your driving?
Yeah.
It'd be nice to be able to squeeze the handbrake into some of them corners because like you need that extension. But if you're not comfortable, then I think we can enter the first corner and then you can maybe straighten up and drift the second corner, third corner together, straighten up for the straight and then drift up the hill.
Yeah.
That should be a good minimum. And full throttle. Yeah!
Oh, this poor car.
Alright, clutch again now. Clutch now. Second. And clutch now. Nice. Go on, tip it in.
It's finished. I had a really good day today. I entered my first little competition, the rookie comp. I didn't come last.